Hi all, today this is Devi Prasad. Today I will tell my experience with the CCTV camera installation for my house. I felt very unsecure because sometimes children comes into my house and many other people who some tenants in my house, other tenants in the building may come and the relatives. It's difficult to identify who are coming and who, sometimes our items uh, would be would be threatened, maybe stolen by somebody. We can't ask them directly. If you ask them, that's like a some hesitation to ask them. So what I feel is I bought this device, so I switch off my monitor. So for this one, you need to have one monitor, and the package is like this. Okay, so you will get two cameras, four channel. There is a four channel DVR, digital video recording. One, this is the one, digital video recording. This box, right? And also they're saying that HD cameras too. So this is one camera. Okay, and also we are able to see a record. Two of them are recording, and one more box for the camera, and cable. This cable, right? See the cable, this cable also, and power supply. So we are not able to see here, and let me switch on. So here one is for power supply. So let me remove this one by one, so that you can also have some idea. Okay, here one thing, this is for the monitor display. Okay, and this is mouse. So this is for one camera, this is for another camera, and power supply is mouse, and this is the power supply getting from mm, yeah, this one. This mouse, this one again adapter we have, right? So yeah, okay. Finally, this has a uh, power cables as well as camera cable. So power, DC power will go to the camera from this wire. We have two cameras, so that we got two cables. So there is a individual wires are coming from that one, and this individual wire is connected to this one. So some power, this power is going to the adapter power, DC power is going to this cable again to up to camera. So like this, which actually they costed around 10,000 after installing a very additional cost and everything, and giving 1 year service. We feel very comfortable because I'm able to monitor uh, I'm able to monitor the premises of my house easily. So this and also let me show you the this camera. The see the quality of a camera. And also you see one 5-in-1 radio recorder. It has manual how to you use it. And okay, this is my experience with the CCTV camera package. You can also try if you want to.